Hey, I'm here. You on the way?
No, sorry, I can't make it. They called me back to TO.
Aw, you were supposed to give me the tour though.
Yeah, I'm sure you'll have trouble finding another tour guide in San Diego.
That's not my point.
Yeah, I know. Listen, we'll do it next time. You know we'll be back in California eventually.
Fair enough. I should get going.
Okay, just stay safe, alright?
No promises. I'll see you later.
Goodbye.
Twitch and you're dead. Don't think we've met. I'm Jackdaw.
Look, I'm busy today. If you're here to kill me, can we reschedule?
Not here to kill you. Today. Just need you to get a message to the director for me. Tell him I haven't forgotten. Tell him Phoenix is coming.
Is that all? Why not tell him yourself? I'm sure he'd love to hear from you.
You know I used to be like you. Followed every order, did all the director's dirty work.
What's your point?
They gave me a bullet for my service. So take some friendly advice, kid. Get out while you're still breathing.